How to adjust lesson difficulty on Rosetta Stone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can adjust lesson difficulty on Rosetta Stone. Now, to adjust the lesson difficulty on Rosetta Stone is simple. The first step is to log in into a Rosetta Stone account and then ensure you have gotten the premium version of Rosetta Stone. This is because you cannot adjust your lesson activity difficulty until you are using the premium version. So once you're using the premium version and you're signed in, the next step is for you to go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your gear icon and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to settings page where you see different kind of settings that you can carry out. You can see your languages that you're learning. You can see bio languages. You can see manage download, speech settings, lesson settings, refresh settings, etc. And so once you've gotten the premium version, you also see the option for you to rise or lower the difficulty of speaking or learning activities. But for me, you can see that it is not here because I've not gotten the premium version. Okay. So once you get in premium version on this settings page, under this settings page where you can see speech settings, lesson settings, refresh, tool bits or tool tips, you'll see the option for you to lower or increase your difficulty activities, your the difficulty of your speaking activities. So you can just go ahead and carry that out. So it is that simple. So once you see it, you can lower it, you can increase it, you can adjust it the way you want. And this would allow you to personalize your learning experience based on your comfort level and learning pace. So if you've not gotten the subscription plan, ensure you do so now so that you can adjust your lesson difficulty on Rosetta Stone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.